Hello guys, welcome back to Wire Network. In this instructional video, I will explain how to properly configure port forwarding on a FortiGate firewall. Port forwarding is a network technique that allows devices outside your local network to access specific services or devices within your network by forwarding traffic through certain ports. Here is step-by-step guide to do it. Step 1. Create a virtual IP, VIP, for port forwarding. First, access your firewall via browser. Next, go to Policy and Objects, then click on Virtual IPs. Click Create New and choose Virtual IP. Next, enter a name for the virtual IPs. Choose the WAN interface through which you will access the device. Set the type to static NAT. Under the external IP address range, enter the public IP address of the FortiGate. Under the mapped IP address range, enter the internal IP address of the computer you want to access via RDP. Next, enable port forwarding. Set the protocol to TCP. Set the port mapping type to 1-to-1, then enter RDP port number in both the field. Click OK to apply the configuration. Step 2. Create a firewall policy to allow RDP traffic. Go to Policy and Object, then click Firewall Policy. Click Create New to create a new policy. Next, give the policy a name. Choose the incoming interface to WAN. Choose the outgoing interface to LAN. Set the source to all. Set the destination to virtual IPs object you created. Next, set the service to RDP. Next, choose the action to accept, then click OK to apply the configuration. Now, try connecting to the public IP address of the FortiGate firewall on port 3389 using remote desktop. If everything is set up correctly, it should forward the connection to the internal computer.